welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new, but as you guys just saw, I just made breakfast and today I made a veggie omelet. I'm gonna bring you guys along and share with you a healthy, balanced day and easy recipes and meals that I like to have in order to stay on track. I will link down below my health and fitness playlist, but like I said, I did actually just already go ahead and cook the breakfast as you guys saw previously, and I kind of missed my omelets. So I went ahead and made that, and as you guys did see, I just used an egg and some egg whites. You can honestly just use egg whites or just use whole eggs. And then I put whatever veggies I had on hand, put some spices into it and some cheese because moderation is everything and cheese is just one thing I can't give up. So once in a while, I like to add some cheese to my meals. Let me know if you're a cheese person or not. Give me all the cheeses. Omelets are a great breakfast to have because they're high in protein and it's also a great way to get veggies. If you have spinach, this is the time I like to throw in spinach, or you can throw in mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, peppers, whatever you want, but it's a great way to stock up on your veggies for the day and it just tastes super delicious this way. But with that being said, I am gonna go ahead and eat this and then I'm gonna catch you guys up once I am having something else for the day. Know your girl loves her snacks. So I'm gonna share with you guys what I'm going to have today for a snack to kind of hold me off before the next meal. For a snack today, I'm going to keep it simple, but this is something new that I recently picked up from Costco that they brought to my Costco. So I want to share it with you because it's a really great, healthy snack. But starting first, of course, I am just going to have a banana. I love having bananas because it's just full of potassium. And then I'm also going to have a pack of almonds. So it just comes in these pre-packaged little packs. It is from the brand Nutritious, which I appreciate when things are pre-packaged to an appropriate portion size. It just makes it a lot easier. But I love these because they're not full of a bunch of stuff in them, because some almonds, even though you think it wouldn't, they put extra things and a bunch of different oils and stuff like that. But there's only 3 ingredients in this. There's almonds, olive oil, and sea salt. And I love that they use olive oil as opposed to canola oils or vegetable oils. It's just a lot healthier. And it is GMO free, no artificial colors or flavors, and there's no preservatives. So they taste super delicious and they also help fill you up, and nuts are a healthy source of fat as well. But this is just going to be my snack that I'm going to have. Super simple and easy, but also has amazing benefits to it and will really help keep you full in between meals. The less ingredients, the better. I started just becoming more aware of ingredients they are putting in foods, and a lot of the time it's so unnecessary and it's found a lot in those pre-packaged foods, unfortunately. So I love to look at the type of oils they use or the extra things that they add in that you don't think they add in. And whenever I find a snack that is pretty clean and uses clean ingredients, then I love to snatch that up and at least try it and throw it into my snack little regimen, because I honestly enjoy my snacks. Snacks help me get through the day and I look forward to them. So if I can find a healthy snack, then I definitely will keep purchasing that. Okay, so it is currently lunchtime and I have everything already laid out here. So I am known for enjoying a nice salad for lunch. This is the time I like to pack up on my veggies, of course. And I genuinely enjoy salad now. I never thought I would become a salad person, but I am definitely a salad person. However, I really like to spice up my salads. I don't like just a plain old boring salad. I always like to find new things to add into it. So it kind of becomes sometimes like a bowl sometimes, but I just like to put a lot of things in it. So I already went ahead and prepped my salad for today. I knew today would be busy, but I wanna add a few more extra things. So right now I just have my lettuce, my tomatoes, I have my cucumbers, as well as some cashews. And the next thing I wanna add is actually some green pepper, because I did go ahead and chop that up in the morning, as you guys saw, for my omelet. So I thought I would add more to my salad because I absolutely love peppers. Another thing I'm going to add just a little bit because it's not like the healthiest for your salad, but I love the extra crunch, and that is these crispy fried cucumbers that I pick up from Costco. Love this. My husband is obsessed with this. It's a problem, but I like to add just a little bit into my salad, and it just tastes really good. I'm a sucker for dill pickle. I love dill pickle chips, not going to lie. So these literally taste like that, and I'm obsessed. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and add is my protein. So I went ahead and I meal prepped some chicken drumsticks, and I warmed it up in the microwave, and I'm just gonna go ahead and break it all apart so I could throw it into my salad, and this is going to give me my protein. I did in my last What I Eat in a Day video show how I make my chicken drumsticks, so I will link my last What I Eat in a Day. It will be linked down below, and at some point I'm sure I put also above somewhere in this video. So definitely check that out, but I spice my meat usually the same every time. It's just how I like it. I actually got a lot of meat out of that. So now that I went ahead and I ripped up all my meat, give me 1 second, I'm just gonna go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and the last thing I'm just going to add is some cottage cheese and then my dressing. I just use olive oil, which is great for the healthy fats, and then I just drizzle some balsamic. Go ahead and close my salad fully so I can give it a good shake. Let's open it up. And I have my chicken salad all ready to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'm gonna catch you guys up once I'm having something else. Guys just saw, I just finished a quick workout, sipping on some water, and I'm gonna go ahead and change and then get dinner all prepped, and I'm gonna share with you what I'm having for dinner tonight. So I went ahead and changed back into my clothes and took off those sweaty clothes, and it is now dinner time. I did go ahead and do a huge meal prep on Sunday. So for dinner, I am just having some pasta and meat sauce. I honestly love pasta, and I will always incorporate it into my diet. I did go ahead and meal prep a ton of penne pasta. This is what's left. I had a lot more, but my husband has also been eating it. And then I did go ahead and make meat sauce to put on top. So if you guys want to see how I make this, let me know, and I can always share it in a video. But I just took some ground turkey, some tomato sauce, and where is it? This tomato sauce is my favorite from Costco. It's the marinara Rao's sauce. It is so good. There's no artificial ingredients. It's very clean. There's only Italian whole peel tomatoes, olive oil, onions, salt, garlic, basil, black peppers, and oregano. So there's already a ton of spices, but I love spicing my food. So I did go ahead and add a little bit more oregano and garlic and all of that. And I did cook my ground turkey also with some onion, minced garlic, and as well as red bell peppers that I cut really small. So it's just so flavorful, and throwing this on top of your pasta is great for lunch, but also dinner, of course. So I'm just gonna go ahead and warm this up, and that is going to be my dinner. And I'm super excited because I love pasta, like I said. When I was a kid, that was like my favorite thing to eat was pasta. It was pretty much like the only thing I would eat because I was such a picky eater when I was younger. how the pasta looks like with the meat sauce all mixed in together, but this is going to be my dinner and the last meal for the day. To finish the night, I am just having a lemon herbal tea. I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here. I had so much fun bringing you guys along and sharing with you my meals that I like to have a healthy, balanced diet. If you guys like this video, thumbs it up. It really helps me out. Like I said, I will link down below my fitness playlist where I have a ton more what I eat in a days. And I will also list down below a few of my recent what I eat in a days. I really try to show all my different kind of like easy meals that I like to have on a regular basis that I kind of switch through with. I'm all honestly about finding quick and healthy meals. I love to find new recipes and all that good stuff. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.